You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience using Google Fiber. Google Fiber, an honest review. Watch before you subscribe. Google Fiber is a high-speed internet service designed for users who prioritize speed, reliability, and consistent performance. It caters to tech enthusiasts, gamers, remote workers, and households with high bandwidth demands like streaming or large downloads. A major selling point is the incredible speed, with options from 1 gigabit to a blazing fast 2 gigabits per second, placing it among the fastest internet services on the market. Low latency is a huge benefit, especially for gamers and video conferencing, delivering a smooth, lag-free experience. Another significant advantage in today's data-hungry world is Google Fiber's unlimited data allowance, eliminating worries about data caps that plague other providers. Installation is typically straightforward and professional, and Google provides a user-friendly router with integrated Wi-Fi. However, Google Fiber isn't perfect. Availability is a major constraint, with service limited to select cities. Expansion has been gradual, meaning if you're not in a covered area, it's simply not a viable option, at least for now. Price is another factor. While competitive considering the speeds offered, it might be excessive if your internet usage doesn't demand ultra-high bandwidth. Customer service generally receives positive feedback, but there have been some reports of slow response times and occasional troubleshooting difficulties. Furthermore, unlike some competitors, Google Fiber doesn't offer bundled packages with cable TV, which could be a drawback for those who prefer a single provider for all their services. In summary, Google Fiber is an outstanding choice if you live in a serviced area and prioritize top-tier speed, minimal latency, and unlimited data. It's ideal for tech-savvy households or individuals requiring the absolute best internet experience. However, if Google Fiber isn't available in your region or your internet needs are less demanding, it might not be worth the wait. Be sure to confirm availability in your area before making a decision.